The mirror lures got some weight behind them though. You can throw them mirror lures all caught up. Up, son.
Let's go.
Look, speckled trout. Get in here. Let's go.
You got another mirror lure?
I don't think so.
Get him off.
Maybe.
We'll throw back in there because they find feeding right there.
You think he's a keeper? Ow. Something just bit me. I guess so. That hurt.
I caught that pretty good shot with it.
That rodeo there. I knew that mirror lure was hung up. 2 with the wind and the waves is like spot lock out here. I hope we don't run out though, because I still want to flounder fish. But I mean,
we make a couple rounds on this, we'll just run back in and go flounder fish.
alright.
I know you want to do that.
We ain't got to, but
I'm saying. That's our limit. Actually feel good though, because we were running at 10, 6 foot, you know.
Yeah, it did good. Got one? Big one?
Put a slick on.
What is that? It's not a speck. It is a speck, dang. Boat flipped that rig. Nice. He was running fast to be a speck.
What they gotta be?
He's 15 without a doubt. They gotta be 15, but he's definitely 15.
15 in Alabama?
Mm-hmm. Son.
Trout.
Something. There he is. Speck. That's a speck. That's a big speck. Not a big one, but Bigger than the other two we've caught. That dirty boxer don't play. Need the net. Huh? See big? Oh, that's a speck. No, that's a redfish. Come on, get him in here. Nice. He may make it too. Nice redfish. Been wanting one of them. With the thing in his mouth. I did get it on GoPro. He's fat. He'll make 16.
A few moments later.
That's a flounder. That's definitely a flounder. Get the net. That's a big flounder. Oh my gosh. Or a big redfish. Yep.
Yeah,
Nice. Good Lord, that's a nice flounder. Huh? Come on, speckled trout, where you at? I got all that on video. Flounder as soon as he hit it and whenever he was in the, like, little speckled trout. A bit close. That's something right there. Flounder. Dink, but oh, keep us right here because I had a few. He ain't a keeper, but we can still just try it. 12. In here.
Huh?
They're in here.
Yeah, here. Slow it down now, they're kind of close.
There he is. Got something. Oh, he just started fighting. He was small at first. Oh, that may be a keeper. A little bit bigger. He felt super small at first. He's bigger than the other one.
Yeah, he's big.
Still small.
Look, I think we get directed. Want to get tangled up in the book? I got it.
Nice, 14. 13, 14.
12, right?
That 12's right there. 13. Dang it, son. A little bit bigger. Come on.